Hello students, we are at section 1.5 where we will see the concept of stock valuation. Stock valuation means the value, how we value the share stocks of our corporation as a financial manager or finance manager. So these are different models we use to discount back, because on the stock, when we have common stock, there is only one thing that we will get in return for the stock is the dividend. So the dividend that are supposed to receive at future time will be discounted back to the present value. So as we already got the concept of discounting the future value to the present value, so P naught means the value of the stock at today. Zero means at today. So this is a general formula if the constant if the growth is variable. So RE means the return on means earning, earning return. So these are different formulas. You will see these formulas in detail in the future sessions. So I will leave this here and don't explain it here. However, you know the concept that on the stock we will receive the dividend, and dividend in future that we will receive, we will discount them to today's value, so that we would be able to decide today what to do. So how we can value a stock, whether to buy a stock or sell a stock? How would an investor decide whether to buy or sell a stock? She would value the stock, means for the customer we are using, she would value the stock using her own expectations. What is the expectation about that? And certainly the news is also important. If our expectations were substantially different, she might conclude that the stock was over or underpriced. Based on that conclusion, she would buy or sell the stock. But if you do it on the calculation, the same formulas we can use. How could a stock suddenly be worth more or less after an earning announcement? What is earning announcement? Earning announcement means is the dividend announcement. And dividend, you know what is a dividend from the accounting course and from the basic finance course. Dividend is basically the profit that is shared with the stockholders or the shareholders. This is normally given every year or interim or whatever. So there will be separate chapter on the dividend. An investor digests the news. They update their expectation, whatever the news is coming, good or bad news about the value of a stock, and they will update their expectation accordingly, and buying or selling pressure would then drive the stock price up or down. If some stock is doing good and the news is also good about that stock, then certainly the price of that stock will go up until the buys and sell came into balance. So they will make it balance. So what, as a financial manager, why we are concerned about the stock valuation? So if the value of a stock is higher, it means your company is prospering. You have more opportunity to collect the finances for any of your future plans. So what should managers do to raise the stock price further? The only way to raise the stock price is to make value increasing decision. Means you will do such decisions for your corporation so that your stock price will go up. So this is a simple concept. The details of this concept will be covered in the future sessions. Thank you.